Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Robinson Unboxing, where myself, my husband, and my two children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, and basically anything. Today, I'm going to do this boxes. So I wanted to bring you guys something a little bit different today. So I have got different boxes from the UK, US, just anywhere I can get my hands on them, to just bring you a different variety, because I know a lot of us do BoxyCharm and Ipsy and stuff that's pretty standard. So I wanted you to try a couple different little boxes. So this one's from Take2Cosmetics. It has a minimum of 3 products inside and it's 20 pounds. Also today we are going to be doing my husband's Scentbird. Now, Scentbird is a subscription for cologne or perfume, depending what you order. It is $16.50 a month, I want to say, for 1 cent, and you can actually go on there and customize and choose what you want if you want to. Now, I've customized his to what I want. He doesn't know what he's getting, so still kind of a mystery. Now, if you do want to add a second scent, it is another $13.50 a month, so it is cheaper to order 2 or more. And there's also, you can add like candle subscriptions and all this stuff on their site too. So today we're just going to do his cologne, but first we're going to start with my Take2 Cosmetics. So this one took a little bit to get here, and I mean the shipping, it wasn't great. I think it was about 15 pounds, so maybe about $22, $23, which is a little bit pricey, but I just wanted to bring something different. So here we got 1, 2, tiny 3, and 4 products. Now the crappy thing about this is, unlike BoxyCharm and Ipsy, it does not come with a card to tell you what anything is or how much is. So you kind of have to guesstimate and then go online and look to see how much things is worth to make sure that you're getting your money's worth. Because, if the shipping's $22 alone and this is 20 pounds, so about $32, it's quite pricey for 4 items. So it might not be worth it, but I just wanted to bring it and try something different. So we're going to open the big one first because it kind of looks like a palette. And it is a palette. So this is what it's going to look like. And it's a glow up palette, and it says 6-color highlighter palette. And this is what it's going to look like. So you can kind of see like etching in. And I love it when the companies do that. Just an added extra thing. So I'm going to swatch a couple on my hands just so you can see what it looks like on the skin. Very, very subtle. That looks like gold. And I like this because they have all different names. So you get some palettes sometimes, and sure, a lot of them have names, but some of them don't. So I really like that this one has the names underneath all the different shades. So this is the 3 shades here. This one's pretty light. It's more like a typical highlighter. So, and then you got the 2 more bronzy shades. So that's our first product. Our second is this. So what is this? Gold-plated crystal loose pigment. So it's loose eyeshadow pigment. If I can get into it, that would be great. Wow. This one is something I'm going to hope my daughter never gets her hands on. So it is going to be loose gold fleck powder. And I can tell you right now, with having 2 toddlers, if they get their hands on this, it's not going to be pretty. It's going to be very pretty around my house. So packaging's cute, a little bit difficult to get on and off, but overall. Next, we have Unicorn Tears Loose Highlighter. Now, I feel like they didn't really try as well because they just gave me a whole palette of 6 highlighters, and now here's another highlighter. So, I mean, not the greatest, but I find some of these boxes, if they don't really care what they put in it. They just want so many products in it, get it gone, whatever they have an abundance of. So, well, I'm gonna get into this one. Oh, geez, that just exploded on me. I don't know if you can see it, but okay. Oh, it is really, really shimmery. So it's right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'll put more on. Like right here. And my husband's bored. You can tell by that facial expression. He's like, enough with the makeup. And our last item. And lots of bubble wrap. It's pressed glitter eyeshadow. So there's 2 of them in here. And that's a little bit weird because most of the time when it comes like this, it's a replacement for a certain palette. So I got this one, which is cute and pink and sparkly. And it is very, very loose and very, very pigmented. See it? So that's one I got. So I got the pinky color, and then I got like a gold color. And that's everything from this. Now, it was a little bit expensive, so I'm going to say this one, probably not really worth it. If you live in the UK and it's only 20 pounds, sure, it's worth it. But getting it, paying the delivery to get it out here, it's not. So now we are going to go on to the hubby's cologne. So.
All right, let's get it open here. Cover it into the cards too.
The card telling you what it is.
Yeah, that's the one. Bentley Silver Lake. Oh, Bentley, nice. Doesn't come with keys to the Bentley though.
Not for 16 bucks.
It comes with a kind of a cool little bag here. Check that out. Little drawstrings. Oh, nice. And a little spray container here. All right. I guess that's the lock and then the unlock.
And he's going to douse himself in it, so that's what guys do.
Yeah. Figure out how to operate it. Oh, there it goes. Nice. It smells good. Scentbird, New York. Lock feature can be handy.
Yeah, we just had an episode, when was it, last week, where he had cologne in his coat jacket for, I don't know, whatever reason. And the toddlers got into it, both of them, and our whole living room smelled like his cologne for days and days. The whole, like, was it like half a bottle? Like, it wasn't like one of the giant bottles. It was like more like a half one. But like, yeah, it was half full. Our house reeked. Like, I mean, not a bad smell, but you know how like cologne can be overpowering if there's a lot. So a locking feature, pretty good.
Nice. It's good though.
It smells good. Should ask your friends how you like it.
For sure.
No, he only puts on cologne and gets all nice and fancy for going to his friend's house to sit in a garage and drink beer.
Gotta smell good when you drink beer. That's the way it is.
Anyways, that's it for us tonight. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you guys think. If you guys know a different subscription box or mystery box you guys want to see us unbox, let us know in the comments and I will try my best to get it. We'll see you guys again. Bye, guys.
Thanks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. Thank you. Bye for now.